These are the best entry signals to enter in your trade: conservative entries and the aggressive entries. Now, when talking about conservative entries, you could imagine something like bullish, bearish engulfing, or bullish and bearish variations such as this right here or this. But when we're talking about aggressive entries, I'm talking about something like this and this. Now, the pros and cons of both of these entry methods are as followed. The pros of aggressive entries is that you have a bigger risk to reward ratio, but the con is that you might get stopped out a little more often. Conservative entry, you have a higher probability that the trade will go in your favor, but the con would be that your risk to reward ratio is smaller. So let's go to the charts and check it out. So what you want to do first is place your support and resistance on a higher time frame such as a 2-hour or 4-hour time frame. And then we want to go down into the 15 or 30 minute time frame and search for rejection candles so I can show you what I mean by conservative and aggressive entries. Alright, so here we have our first aggressive entry right here, which will be this rejection candle right here. Now this green candle. As you can see, price reached our resistance zone that we have marked out before, and sellers pushed the price back down, leaving a big wick. Now, as soon as price gives you these type of wicks, such as this one right here or this one right here, it shows that there is a lot of selling volume and we could potentially see to sell down. So let's say we enter on a short position right after this candle right here. We want to place our stop loss above our zone and above the last high, and our take profit down into our previous marked support zone. Now, as you can see here, this would be a 1-to-3 risk to reward ratio, which is awesome. Now, what happens if we would have waited for the conservative entry, which would have been after these two bearish candles right here? We need to leave our stop loss at the same area, meaning that this would only be a 1-to-2, like shy a 1-to-2 risk to reward ratio instead of a 1-to-3 that we had earlier. Now, these are the pros and cons of conservative and aggressive entries. For more information, make sure to check out my free Telegram and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Link is in my bio.